What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. We got a box full of parts from yours truly, Rock Auto. If you know, you know, that blue and white tape. The front's going back together today, the steering rack and everything like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. I got some Suspensia. It says that they were OEM replacements. Inner tie rods, as well as new Holstein tie rod boots. So, and I already have the new outer tie rod, as we just did those the other week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing back together, because I got a lot of shit to do today. So first things first, inner tie rod installation. The first inner tie rod is on. It's pretty hard to get in there without a tie rod tool, but I'm pretty sure it's tight enough to be good. Next thing we got is the tie rod boots. Now, weirdly enough, this is going to be the biggest bitch of the whole day, just because of space and getting in there, but got to do it, so let's get on with it. Okay guys, it's going to be pretty hard for you to see, but the inner tie rod is on and the boot is on. While it goes to the shop, I don't have the proper tie rod tool, and the problem with these tie rods is, so the old tie rod has a lot more biting surface for the adjustable wrench. This tie rod only has the tiny surface, so it's sunk more into the car, and I really can't get the adjustable wrench, so I reefed it down with my arms. I use the adjustable wrench and like a pipe wrench, and I twisted it as hard as I could. The whole shaft started to move, so I pretty much called it good there. We're almost there. Time to throw the other side on, then do the outers, then we're good. So, we got the inner tie rod, the boot, and the outer tie rod all situated. There is now no more slop in the steering wheel. As soon as you turn the steering wheel, just like a freaking half a millimeter even, it starts to turn the wheel. Before, it'd be like a full inch of play in the steering wheel before it would even start to turn the wheel. Now I can get the wheels back on this, take it off the jack stands, and then bring it to my buddy's shop for Monday to get the rear trailing arms done. And once the rear trailing arms are done, and now that the steering stuff is done, we'll be able to go back to the alignment shop, get a proper alignment, and my wheels finally shipped. So they should be here soon. So we'll get all this suspension and alignment stuff done. Then we'll do the wheel reveal video and get those mounted on here. Redo the preload on the coilovers, mess with the ride height a bit. For some reason, 3 of the fenders on this car are rolled and only 1 isn't. We're gonna go over all 4 and make them perfectly rolled, adjust the ride height, adjust the preload, then put the new wheels and tires on. Maybe throw some tint on the rear windows, and this thing is ready to rip. I know it's a short video, but thank you guys so much for coming out. Just gonna go ahead and do a little montage of putting the wheels back on and lowering the car, and we're out of here, boys.